This is All India Radio, Shillong, the Northeast News Bulletin read by Rahul Chatterjee. Here's an announcement. As India created history by administering more than 100 crore doses of vaccine against COVID-19, All India Radio salutes all the doctors, nurses, other frontline workers, and all those who got vaccinated and made this possible. Even though the country has achieved this feat, we caution our listeners that the battle against COVID-19 is not yet over. We appeal to our listeners to get fully vaccinated at the earliest and also help others get vaccinated. During the festival season, please follow these 3 simple steps. Wear a face mask. Maintain 2 gaz ki duri for social distancing. Focus on hand and face hygiene. For any COVID-related information and guidance, contact National Helpline numbers 011 23 97 80 46 and 1075. And the helpline for Meghalaya is 108 and 1070. And now the news in detail. Union Home Minister Amit Shah will lay the foundation stone for setting up Rani Gaidinliu Tribal Freedom Fighters Museum at Luangkao village in Manipur's Tamenglong district via video conferencing today. The project has been sanctioned by the Union Ministry of Tribal Affairs at an estimated cost of 15 crore rupees. The Manipur cabinet had decided to set up the museum at Luangkao village in Tamenglong district, which is the birthplace of renowned freedom fighter Rani Gaidinliu. The Ministry of Tribal Affairs is celebrating its Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav Week, which was launched on the 15th of this month by Prime Minister Narendra Modi as Janjatiya Gaurav Divas. Union Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan inaugurated the state-of-the-art Centre for Nanotechnology and Centre for Indian Knowledge System at IIT Guwahati yesterday. Assam Education Minister Ranoj Pegu was present on the occasion. Mr. Pradhan congratulated IIT Guwahati for achieving excellent rankings in various national and international ranking systems. He also appreciated the efforts of IIT Guwahati for creating an ecosystem for research and education, as well as focusing on the overall development of the northeastern region. Union Minister of Education, Skill Development and Entrepreneurship Dharmendra Pradhan, along with Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K Sangma, yesterday inaugurated the newly constructed building of Kendriya Hindi Sansthan at Mawdiangdiang, Shillong. The Union Minister said that the National Education Policy 2020 emphasizes on imparting education in mother language at the primary level, and the government is striving to achieve the target within the stipulated time frame. He expressed that this institute will work for the benefit of teachers of Hindi and people eager to learn and research in the language. The institute will cater to the states of Meghalaya, Tripura and Mizoram. Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K Sangma yesterday urged the Union Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan to fulfill the long-cherished aspirations of the people of the state for inclusion of the Khasi and Garo languages in the 8th schedule of the Constitution. He was addressing the gathering at the function following the inauguration of the Central Institute of Hindi in Shillong. Mr. Sangma said that it will be the greatest gift for the people of the state if this demand can be met on the occasion when Meghalaya celebrates its 50 years of statehood next year. Meghalaya yesterday reported 21 new cases of COVID-19 and 31 recoveries. The state has 280 active cases as per the official latest report. In Manipur, 83 persons, including 53 personnel of the Central Armed Police Force, were confirmed as new COVID-19 positive yesterday. 2 COVID-19 related deaths were also reported. Driving under the influence of alcohol or toxic substances in Meghalaya will now entail cancellation and suspension of driving license of the offenders. This is part of the State Traffic Department's massive crackdown on traffic rule violators, especially those involved in rash, negligent or drunken driving, including other violations of the Motor Vehicles Act. And with that, we end the Northeast News Bulletin, which came to you from All India Radio, Shillong. Have a nice day.